Alrighty, so experiment 2 is to just leave the yarn on a tray, open to the air, where the bleeding happens only where it's in contact with the pan, and it will slowly dry. I'm also changing to tulip dyes, which have a 6-hour activity, or they take 6 hours. I'm not going to be using the black. On this particular skein, I'm just going to use color. I'm also not going to take them out of their bottles. We'll see how the speckling goes this way. And so just begin by kind of slowly dropping the dye. This dye is a lot different from the others. It's much more powdered because it's actually designed for you to pour water into the bottle and then allow it to become a liquid dye, or splatter dye is what I've been using it for. They're actually tie-dye kits. And so, just like before, I'm just kind of gently speckling, sprinkling, dropping some dye. And the green doesn't turn as green as that other one quite as quickly. And yeah, it's going to give me a totally different speckle effect, I think, because they are so lightly powdered, or finely powdered, I guess is the right word. Whoa, and then the blue comes out really well. So be very careful here. I've also kind of chosen a more pastel or neon rainbow out of the colors that were available to me. So we'll also see how that goes. I love the tulip colors. So, all right, well, same as before, only this time I have to put you a little further away. In order to prop the camera, you're coming over here onto the dirty pan. And I'm just going to flip this like before. Try and expose as much of the white as I can. And then rinse my hands because Brody and transfer and all that good stuff. And wet hands on my phone. It's got to be lovely. There we go. And back to the beginning again. So just sprinkling some dye. Almost works. Whoa, not so well. We'll leave that alone. See? I have a feeling this isn't going to go as far using it this way as it might have done putting the water in it. And I do have another set that probably will not get treated this way for that exact reason. I actually like the splatter dyeing effect. I'm not unhappy with my results with splatter dyeing. I just really want to find out what happens. Whoopsie, I'm not even showing you what I'm doing. I just want to find out what happens when we speckle, or drop, using these as a powder. Because it is a finer look and a finer powder. And so that's what we have, and it's being left alone now. Not touched again until 6 hours or until it's completely dry.